Have you been using turmeric in your food, tea, or drink? Because you have heard that it can fight inflammation and provide many health benefits. Turmeric is not just a spice. It contains compound called curcuminoid, with curcumin being one of the most studied. But here is something many people don't know. The way you consume turmeric can affect how your body absorbs curcumin. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you the best way to use turmeric for better absorption and the amazing health benefits of this spice, because some of you use this spice and you don't really know what it works. No, so I'm going to be explaining that in this video. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are so welcome. Do well to subscribe. My name is Uche Chichizing, the clinical physiologist. If it concerns your health, trust me, we gist about it. Hit the like button so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to see it. Now let's get started. Now, one of the health benefits of turmeric is because it contains anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, one of the reasons turmeric is popular is because of its anti-inflammatory effect. Curcumin, which is a potent compound found in turmeric, has been shown in laboratory research to influence several pathways involved in inflammation. Now, another amazing benefit of turmeric is joint health, particularly people suffering from osteoarthritis. Some clinical studies suggest that certain curcumin preparation may help reduce pains. So turmeric, if you have osteoarthritis, remember it has a strong anti-inflammatory effect. So osteoarthritis, anything arthritis, is about inflammation of the joint. So curcumin is that one herbs or one spice that also helps in arthritis. But it's important to note that turmeric is useful as a complementary approach. It shouldn't replace your doctor recommendation or maybe your health care advice or prescribed medication. You can use turmeric as your morning tea if you have arthritis or maybe any form of inflammation or pains. It's very helpful, but it shouldn't replace your doctor recommendation. Now, another amazing benefit of turmeric is that it also contains antioxidant properties, not just anti-inflammatory. And what this means is that it helps to reduce oxidative stress. But that does not mean that drinking a turmeric at a concentrated amount every day will automatically prevent disease. It doesn't work that way. Now, without wasting much of your time, now let's answer the question many people are waiting for. What's the right way to take turmeric for better absorption? The answer starts by understanding curcumin. Now, curcumin have a natural low oral bioavailability, meaning when you consume it, only a small amount reaches your bloodstream. Now listen, the best way to take turmeric for better absorption is by combining turmeric and pepperine. Now, pepperine is an active compound found in black pepper. Research has shown that pepperine can actually increase curcumin absorption. Now, for instance, when you're cooking your stew, your soup, your beans, your porridge, your vegetable, your egg, you can add turmeric. And when you add turmeric, add a little bit of black pepper to it. You don't need to take huge amount of turmeric and black pepper, so don't overdo it. Just a little amount is okay for absorption. Now, this is where many people make mistake, because they think that since turmeric is healthy, taking more must be healthy. The truth is not necessary. Taking high dose of turmeric or maybe taking it for a long period of time can cause side effects. Side effects such as diarrhea, nausea, stomach upset. There have been reports of liver injury associated with some highly bioavailable curcumin products. So don't randomly take high dose of turmeric or curcumin supplement just because someone recommended it. In as much as turmeric is very healthy, it is advisable to apply caution. Don't take it too much. If you are taking any medication, especially medicine that can interact with supplement, it is advisable to speak to your doctor or your pharmacist before taking high turmeric products. Using turmeric in normal food amount is different from taking high concentrated supplements. Turmeric have amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and have many health benefits and may help with conditions such as joint pain, arthritis, particularly osteoarthritis. So the best way to take your turmeric, either you're taking it as a tea or maybe you're combining with your food, make sure to add pepper in. That's that black pepper. I'll put it in this video so that you know what it means. So add a little bit of black pepper, don't add too much of it, and be careful when taking it. Don't take in high dose, just a little quantity is okay. Now if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.